Dear colleagues, welcome to the town hall.
Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are safe, your family members are safe. We have now come to the end of the year, that is December. December is the month of celebration, and I really miss all those fun we used to have during this month in the office. I really miss my entire team, and I also miss this season of Christmas during December. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who have supported me during this pandemic. I know it was a tough year for everyone, but still we have overcome all the challenges, and we have done quite well. I would like to thank each and every person in my team and also the management team who have supported us during this time. Wish you all a happy new year. Stay safe, stay happy.
Hello everyone, myself Sridhar from Lavati Pathology. It is unfortunate that we are not meeting face to face. We all know that 2020 was a year of challenges, griefs, anxieties, etc. Over the past couple of months, this year has proved to be one of the deadliest times to be alive due to the pandemic. Yet we have learned how to live with it. We were totally away from the so called social life, no masks, no cinemas, parties, etc. But spend time with families, kids, along with our work responsibilities. So we have proved ourselves that we can still live and give our best in all that we do. We should all be proud to the difference we are making to the patient lives, which is the direct result of our commitment delivering excellence to our customers. At times, we surely had intense pressure, and I knew we were able to manage this. Believe me, hard work pays one day. Let's be focused and committed to our work, and success will follow us. I heartfully thank Murthy sir, Vinod sir, Susie, Brett Monk, and the ID team for being with us at all our tough times. My team members is always been a supportive, and especially thanks to Meera, Sagar, and Anita for shouldering me. I wish you and your families a new year filled with happiness, peace, good health, and abundant blessings. Look forward for a great performance and achievements in the coming year. As we come to the end of the year, I would take this opportunity to thank each one of your tremendous support, goodwill, and understanding. Your hard work and commitment is deeply appreciated, and I am sure this will continue. Eat healthy, think good, stay safe and positive. Thank you.
Hi all, I hope all is well. This year the COVID has affected many manufacturing and servicing sectors such as IT, banks, real estate, education, healthcare, media, hotel, created unemployment and others. The COVID-19 has brought significant changes to the way we work, increasing VPN connection, working with the Helios, using Zoom video conference, etc. Thank you for my QML team members for all your hard work, dedication, commitment and invaluable contribution towards the work which has been integral to our progress and success. I am proud to have such a sincere staff like working with us. Please keep up the good work. Thank you sir for being such an inspiration to the people at work. Coming to the together is beginning. Keeping together is progress and working together is success. Lastly, wish you and your family a very happy new year filled with success, happiness and good health. Thank you.
Hi everyone, wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. Hope everyone's doing well. We know that this year's been very difficult for us, but you guys and us, all of us have got through it with all the good efforts that you guys have put in. We appreciate your good work. You guys rock, keep rocking, and I would wish all of you to stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I would like to thank each and every one of my team members for your hard work and sincerity. Without your significant contribution, we would have not received all these appreciations from the management. I especially want to thank my people who have logged off after their shift timings and again logged in during the evening hours to clear the piled up work. And a special thanks to the validation team who have moved to entry during the high work and also balanced their validations by the end of the day. So for all these, a big thanks from me, and I wish you a happy new year to each and everyone, and I would like to work few more years with the wonderful team which I have.
Hello everyone. So it's been a long time since you've seen me, right? So here I am. First of all, to thank you for the entire 2020 which has gone by. It's full of uncertainties, full of challenges, where each one of you supported me and the office to a lot of extent. So a big thank you for all of that. Now let us all welcome 2020-21 with much more better hopes, much more healthier thoughts, and first and foremost, we would all like to meet together and come back together again. So hope very soon we will be all back to office. And at the same time, stay healthy and enjoy with your family. Bye all.
Hi everybody. I hope you're all doing great and enjoying your Christmas holidays like I am doing right now on a beach. So it's been a long year for each one of us and hardly we have met in person in the office. So I thought why not drop a message to the team of QML and also the entire team of SDS. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year guys. I hope everything is going well with you and with your families. This year has been even tough for us in terms of the work. Managing work from home was not that easy for each one of us. But kudos to each one of you. With your support, we have broken some numbers that have not been broken in the last 13 years. Great job guys. This message is for the QML team. Hey guys, we have seriously missed a lot of fun that we used to have in the office. So we are always, our motto has been work hard and party harder. So this year we have done lots and lots of hard work. So when you guys come back, we are going to party seriously harder. So get ready guys, and we are going to have serious fun in the office when we are all back. Till then, keep doing your best and enjoy your life.
Hello, this is your very own Surijit without the specs. I'm sure all are doing hale and hearty. As we have just ended the most eventful year of our lives, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for everything you have done to make this the most amazing and successful year with respect to work. Over the past year, we have added staff and we are grateful for the opportunity to work with you. Year 2020 was filled with a magnitude of both challenges and victories. Every year is difficult, but this one has been filled with more change than normal. Extraordinary situation demanded extraordinary decision, and I must thank our chief, Mr. Murthy, for taking this historical decision of work from home. To be honest, I was a bit apprehensive and skeptical also, whether this work from home feature would actually work for us or not, whether this huge workload can we deliver it on time or not. But your dedication, never lose attitude, and your perseverance just not only showed the much needed maturity by completing the work on time, but also setting up a new standard that when time comes you can deliver, and entire world knows now about it. Situation was difficult, but you chose not to buckle down under pressure and deliver the job in a timely fashion. As we step into 2021, we cannot be complacent even for a single minute. Must focus on quality and quantity even more. And looking forward towards your similar dedication. When the vaccine is just a few weeks away, would like everyone to remain safe and strong. We will meet again sooner than later in the office. Stronger than previous, more vibrant than earlier. I miss you all. Thank you for all the work you are doing. Keep the good work going. Once again, a big thank you and a very happy new year to you and to your family. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. This time I would like to say something about yourself. As we all know, this year 2020 was a very challenging and tough situation for all of us to go through. But in such a pandemic situation also, you have been given your best effort and the dedication towards your work for the continuation of the business. we do understand there are lot many issues at home for accommodation, network, power. In spite of having all these issues, but still you have given your best and your family members have contributed a significant cooperation towards our business continuation. So each one of you and your family member deserve a big thank you from all of us, from management team. Thank you a lot. Thank you for your good work. I do appreciate for your hard work and the dedication which you have shown towards your work. And this shows the dedication, how well we deserve the good staff we have. We all proud to be having such a nice staff who have been cooperated in such a pandemic time and which has given the successful results for our business. I do appreciate all my new trainees and the new hires whom we have hired this year, and such a tough time also they have come to the office and attending all this while, and they have shown their trust towards SDS India. This is the most appreciated part of SDS All India offshore staff. So all data entry team members deserve a big thank you. I do appreciate for their hard work and their dedication. Thank you a lot for your good work. I wish all of you stay safe, stay happy, be healthy, lead a good life, have a happy life. I wish you a very, very happy new year ahead, 2021. Keep going, keep doing good. All the best. Thank you a lot for your effort. Thank you so much.
Hi team, I'm Girish, Managing Procurement and Stores Ordering Team India. By the end of 2020, I would like to say thank you so much for your work during the pandemic like COVID-19. I know it's quite difficult to stay motivated by missing the social connect with your colleagues and when there is distractions while working from home. But you have set an extraordinary example of professionalism, commitment, and unity during the coronavirus outbreak. If doctors and nurses are the frontline warriors, I would say you all as the backline warriors of SDS, considering the fact that we are into healthcare industry and we play a crucial role in it. We are proud to have you part of SDS family, and we hope you continue to do the great job. Lastly, special thanks to SDS, who did a really good job by ensuring employees have all the required tools to work from home. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Kalyan, Manager for Information Technology, SDS India. In this crisis situation, appreciate the efforts of each and everyone in reaching the milestone is commendable. A big thank you to the organization and management for taking meticulous care of the employees in the pandemic. This would not have been possible without respective families' support as well. Hope we will have a great and peaceful year hereafter. Thank you everyone, and wish you a very, very happy new year to all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vinod, Associate Head of Operations. Well, what a year this has been, with absolute uncertainties. The mask, sanitizer, and social distance being the very common words which is being used. And this year probably could be known as the year of Corona. Having said that, the positive thing is you guys all have come together and helped us in delivering very good work. You guys have been absolutely fantastic. I wish you all the very best and a very happy new year. Stay safe and have fun.
Dear associates, we're coming to the end of a very challenging year. I wanted to let you know how proud I am of the commitment, hard work, and diligence that you have shown during this year. No matter what your role is, you have played an important part in helping our business during the global pandemic. It hasn't been easy. COVID-19 has challenged us in ways that never would have thought possible. We still have 90% of our staff working from home. And of course, I know that some of our team members and their family tested positive to COVID-19. In spite of these situations, you have all worked so very hard. In the face of these great challenges though, you have shown resilience and strength. You have shown just what we can achieve when we work together and support one another. Whilst I'm happy to farewell 2020 and welcome the new year, I do hope we can take things like our resilience, innovation and commitment and team mindset into the new year. These are the traits I think will serve us well in 2021. I can assure you that I'm committed to ensuring the safety and well-being of all the employees, and we think about our return to the office next year. Like many of you, I have missed the interactions, relationship building, and camaraderie that comes from working in the same office. I look forward to ensuring that our office is fit for your return soon. Once again, thank you to each of you for the stupendous work that you have done during the pandemic. There have been so many constraints and lots of ups and downs, so you should be incredibly proud of how you have risen to the challenges. I would like to thank you and your family for all the support that you have extended. Wish you all a very, very happy new year. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you once again.
Hi everyone, this is Shruti from QML team. I am singing a song and that song is dedicating to all my staff members. Nanna jeeva neenu 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 nanna baala jyoti neenu 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 nanna jeeva neenu nanna baala jyoti neenu ನಿನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣ ಕಂಬನಿ ನನ್ನಾಣಿ ನೋಡಲಾರೆನು ನನ್ನ ಜೀವ ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಬಾಳ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ನೀನು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಅಲೆಯೊಂದು ಮೂಡಿ ಚೂರಾದ ಚಂದ್ರನೇ ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಚೂರು ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಚೂರು ಒಂದಾಗಬೇಕು ಬೇಗ ತುಸು ದೂರ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದೆಯ ನಡುವೆಲ್ಲೋ ಮಿಲ್ಲನೆ ಮಾಯವಾದೆಯ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಅಲೆಯೊಂದು ಮೂಡಿ ಚೂರಾದ ಚಂದ್ರನೇ ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಚೂರು ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಚೂರು ಒಂದಾಗಬೇಕು ಬೇಗ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
इन होठों ने मांगा सरगम सरगम तू और तेरा ही प्यार है आंखें ढूंढे है जिसको हरदम हरदम तू और तेरा ही प्यार है महफिल में भी तन्हा है दिल ऐसे तुझको खोना दे डरता है ये ऐसे आज मिली ऐसी खुशी झूम उठी दुनिया ये मेरी तुमको पाया तो पाई जिंदगी कहना ही क्या ये नैन एक अनजान से जो मिले चलने लगे मोहब्बत के जैसे ये सिलसिले अरमान ऐसे दिल में खिले जिनको कभी मैं ना जानूं वो हमसे हम उनसे कभी ना मिले कैसे मिले दिल ना जानूं अब क्या करे क्या नाम ले कैसे उन्हें मैं पुकारूं कहना ही क्या ये नैन एक अनजान से जो मिले
This is Saraswati from QML. Thank you.
Hi, this is Swapna. I'm going to sing a song, Tu Mile. Tu mile, तेरे पास पास में रहूंगी जिंदगी भर, ना हो तू उदास तेरे पास पास में रहूंगी जिंदगी भर। सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझी में पाया, तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए। हाँ तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए। प्यार कभी हो मरता नहीं, हम तुम मरते हैं, होते हैं वो हो प्यार अमर लोग जो करते हैं। जितनी अदा उतनी वफा, जितनी अदा उतनी वफा। एक नजर प्यारे से देख लो, फिर से जिंदा कर दो। तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए। हाँ तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए। थैंक यू।
Hi, good evening. Now I would like to share my personal experience about work from home. Yes, work from home is a very good thing for me. Actually, it helped me a lot where in this pandemic situation. I don't know about others, how those people and all face very severe things in this COVID time. But in this COVID time, really work from home helped me a lot. Where now I would like to share my personal experience about work from home. Whereas my mom gone through with severe health issue in this particular COVID time. Being in home, really being a single son, and really it helped me a lot to take care of my mom in this particular pandemic time, and working as well. So it helped me a lot to take care of family, and at the same time to take care of my work too. It helped me financially, where I can work from my home, and at the same time where I can manage my family as well. So really it helped me a lot. And some kind of advantages and disadvantages being in home. First of all, advantages is the main thing, where we can spend a lot of time with family. End of the day, family matters for everyone. And then where we are not going out, and we can't take risk while going out, and we can't take risk by working in office and all. So being in home, really it helped me a lot, and it will be helpful for others also. And moreover, the other thing, which is money. Actually, being in rented house and paying a lot of expenditures and a lot of bills, really it was very horrible for me by working in rented house and everything and all. But being in home and working in home, and by doing the same work which I was doing early, really money matters a lot. Really, while coming to money thing, I saved a lot of money in this particular pandemic time. And moreover, I will share some kind of disadvantages as well, where there will be some kind of problems in work from home, which is that the main thing is power cut. Obviously, the power cut will be there, not all the time, but sometime if we come across with that particular power cut time, or else if you manage that particular time, or if you be with patience in that particular time, obviously we can manage work. And work stress will be there. It will be there in office too, not only in home. Sometimes we have to extend, of course that doesn't matter. Why? Because if you want to go and log in office, or if my shift was at 4:30 or 5:30, obviously I have to wake up at 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock. I have to get bath, and I have to get ready. I have to take my cab, and I have to log in office. This take almost 1.5 hours to reach office, obviously. But being in home, if my shift is at 6:30 or 4:30, if I wake up at 4:25 or 4:20, really it helped me a lot. Where I can save a lot of time. In that particular time, if I extend for 1 more hour, means that doesn't matter for me. Actually, earlier I was spending 2 to 3 hours for my getting ready and going to office and coming back from office. It takes almost 2 to 3 hours. For extending 1 more hour for power cut, some target issues and all, that doesn't matter for me. Not only for me, obviously it doesn't matter for anyone. So, and one thing, being in home, obviously yes, we can miss some fun activities and fun and our teammates as well. Yes, we have to be for some time. Why? Because in this particular COVID situation, we can't go out and we can't take risk. So it will be fine, no problem. Obviously our team will be there. We will be having a lot of fun in our group as well while doing work also. Everyone are supporting, even managers, team leader, everyone are supporting us. So it is quite good enough. And if you ask me, my choice, obviously, according to me, right now work from home is good. Work from home was good, and I think so it will be good. And anyway, thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my experience about work from home. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Rupa from QML, Hyderabad. Now I am going to sing a small mashup on friendship songs. So here we go. పాదమెటు పోతున్నా పయనమెందాకైనా అడుగు తడపడుతున్నా తోడులేనా చిన్ని ఎడబాటైనా కంట తడి పెడుతున్నా గుండె ప్రతిలయలోనా నేను లేనా ఒంటరైనా ఓటమైనా వెంట నడిచే నీడవేనా ఓ మై ఫ్రెండ్ తడి కన్నులనే తుడిచిన నేస్తమా ఓ మై ఫ్రెండ్ ఒడిదుడుకులలో నిలిచిన స్నేహమా వాడిపోనిది స్నేహం ఒక్కటే విడిపోనిది నీడ ఒక్కటే హద్దంటూ లేనే లేనిది ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ ఒక్కటే కష్టం వచ్చినా నష్టం వచ్చినా మారిపోనిది ఫ్రెండ్ ఒక్కడే కాలేజీ స్నేహం ఎప్పుడూ అంతం లేనిదే 1/4 కలిసింది స్నేహం క్యాంటీన్ ఛాయలా అటెండెన్స్ తగ్గిపోకుండా ఉందిగా ప్రాక్సీ ఫార్ములా సూపర్ స్టార్ ఫస్ట్ షోకి మాకు మాస్ బంక్ మంత్రం ఉంది ఎగ్జామ్స్లోన బ్యాక్లాగ్ వల్ల ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎంతెంతో పెరిగింది దమ్దరే 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 దమ్దా దమ్దరే దమ్ దమ్దరే దరే దమ్ దమ్ దమ్
పక్కన పట్టాది లేదు సూడల పిల్ల నాది నక్కిలిసు గొలుసు.
Song mixed by DJ Praveen.
కమ్మని కలలకు ఆహ్వానం చక్కని చెలిమికి శ్రీకారం పలికిన పాటకు నా ప్రాణం అంకితం అన్నది నా హృదయం హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ పులకించిన కాలపు ఒడిలో పురివిప్పినదో స్వర పుష్పం చిరునవ్వుల వీణలు మీటి వినిపించినదో నవరాగం హ్యాపీ